Hello traders, and welcome back to our Q's analysis class here again tonight on Monday, November 19th of 2012. Carolina Lizan here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program, and it's the short holiday week here, and we are starting it strong with the Dow up 1.65%, the S&P up 1.99%, the Nasdaq up 2.21%, our Q's up 2.38%, and Apple up 7.21%, following a pair of better than expected housing reports. All right, so that's what happened here today. So now let's take a look at our Q's daily chart and see what's happening here at this moment. Wow, check this out. Look at this beautiful bounce off of that lower area support, where you see that blue trend line coming down, as well as the 61.68 mark, which we talked about for quite a while. And now we're bouncing off of it, continuing higher to that upper area of resistance. Up here, 63.50, which was broken. We're closing above it, but we are still approaching that upper area of resistance up here at about 64. All right, so pay close attention to the 64 mark, as well as the 63.50 again tomorrow and the rest of this week. All right, so now we are having this big update here on a pretty decent volume today, but lower than we had on Friday, but we're still up above the average, okay, with the volume. So that's really important here. We are trading on a pretty nice volume. That's what we see happening. And now check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD is still remaining in a bearish territory because we are in a downtrend, as you can see, between those two trend lines coming down, and we are still remaining bearish according to the MACD. The MACD is still below the zero line in a bearish territory, but pointing higher, pointing north with a positive tick. So watch this guy here really carefully tomorrow and make sure that you see a beautiful confirmation on the MACD. Whatever you see here happening on our chart needs to be confirmed with the MACD and also the volume. That is big, okay? Make sure you see an increase in volume if we are going to continue to the upside. If we do break outside of that down channel, we could continue higher to that upper area of resistance up here, 65.10, and also the 200-day moving average, which is right above it at about 65.42. Those areas are significant, so make sure you have them on your chart. So again, tomorrow watch the 64 mark as well as the 63.50, the high of today, which was at 63.83, and also make sure you take a look at the MACD and make sure it's confirming everything we see happening on the chart, and volume big time. And the other thing that could happen is that we could hit and test the upper area of resistance up here, 64 mark, and pull back down. If we ever do that, the next area of support on our way down would be here, the 8 moving average, as well as that pink one right above it, and then that 61.68 mark. All right, yeah, so that is what I see happening on this chart here today. Safe trading to all of you, and just wanted to mention something to you here. We just returned from a week of training in Vegas, so I wish you could all be there with us. It was a wonderful time. We had 2 mentoring sessions back to back. The first one was the immersion 3-day mentoring session, and the second one was the advanced session. They were both fantastic. So I wish you could be there, but we had a wonderful time there and hope you can join us next time we are there. So I'll keep you posted. But anyways, yeah, it was really nice to be back here with you again. Hope you enjoyed the class, and again, safe trading to all of you, and I will see you back in class again tomorrow.